This is a tutorial for this like branding repeater thing I posted recently. First step is this 1.5. So this is a hard trick. First off, first step is a whip to 1.5 mount. I get my finger under so that it's whippable, I guess. I then whip the string over, and when the string is like in the air, the yo-yo comes into the string here, and that's kind of what makes the boom, and then you catch the slack there. So I'll have a slow motion, I don't know, maybe now, maybe later. That's the first step. The second one is just a branding whip. Yotrix has a really good tutorial on branding. I think it's like, starts out, yeah, that's it. So they've got a tutorial on that, so that's a pretty easy element to learn actually, except you're just doing it without the wrap. So now when you do it from just without the wrap, now you have a magic drop wrap, like this in 1.5. And so then the next step is pretty hard. A couple tips. Oh yeah, so the next step is this whip that I just missed. There we go. So basically what's happening here is that this loop here is staying on, nothing happens, it's just staying on, and you're bringing the yo-yo around, and this string is whipping into the gap. So, a couple tips. I really like this string to be like close to the palm of my hand instead of out towards the end of my finger, because then it doesn't fall off. Also, like quickly rotating my hand when I'm doing the whip helps a lot. Yeah. If you can try to make a quick motion when the yo-yo is kind of at its peak up here. Boom, boom, boom. And then from here, I just keep swinging the yo-yo around so that there's now a branding wrap. And when I swing it around, I put my thumb in. I'm going to get a different angle for this as well. So if all you do is the rejection, then you catch the string, you land in a 1.5, but with a branding setup. And then if you do branding, then you're back in 1.5. And essentially this element is just those two things combined. So you're here, and I reject it by swinging the yo-yo forward and having my thumb here in so I can push the yo-yo out, and then I immediately swing the yo-yo around and the string into a branding. And then, since you're back in 1.5, you can make it a repeater, like so. I used the Yo-Yo Friends sync, super good, really fun. It's gonna be like $50 coming soon. Sochi string as well is what I used, and that's it.